Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prioritizing safety. Disconnect the battery negative terminal and wait 10 minutes so airbag capacitors discharge. Once done, center the front wheels and mark the steering wheel to the column spline with paint or tape so alignment is preserved. Next, remove the airbag module carefully, handle it face up, and unplug its connector. Then loosen and remove the central retaining nut. Keep the nut and any spacers in a labeled tray. These first steps prevent damage and preserve alignment for reinstallation. Now focus on the complex middle steps. Confirm the clock spring is centered. This prevents electrical damage to the airbag and horn. With your marks aligned, slide the replacement wheel onto the column splines. Push it fully until it seats. Temporarily snug the retaining nut and verify the wheel is perfectly centered relative to the wheels. Adjust as needed. Once centered, torque the nut to the manufacturer spec, often around 40 ft-lb, so the wheel is secure, but the column isn't overstressed. Finish by reconnecting the airbag and horn connectors, then refit the airbag module and tighten its bolts to spec. Reconnect the battery and observe the instrument cluster. The airbag light should go out after self-test, and the horn and steering controls should function. If you use driver assist systems, clear or calibrate the steering angle sensor per the vehicle procedure. If a warning light or control fails, pull the panel. Recheck the clock spring orientation and connector pins. Damaged tabs or a misaligned clock spring cause most faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.